Hi, we are from At Home Tuition. In this video, we are going to see few examples on finding the smallest multiple that makes the given number a perfect cube number. The first example is Raj made a cuboid of plasticine. Length, breadth and height of the cuboid are 15 cm, 30 cm and 15 cm respectively. Anu asks how many such cuboids will she need to make a perfect cube. Can you tell? Okay, solution. First, let's see what is given. Raj made a cuboid of plasticine. Length of the cuboid 15 cm, breadth of the cuboid 30 cm and height of the cuboid 15 cm. So this is the cuboid. See, I have drawn few cuboids of the given measurements 15, 30 and 15. So now he is combining all these cuboids to form a cube. So combination of all the small cubes are joined to form a cube. Okay, so now the volume of cuboid, we know that it's length into breadth into height. So it's given 15 into 30 into 15. Length is 15, breadth is 30 and height is 15. So now we'll write the factors for 15. So it's 3 into 5. And factors for 30, we know that 30 is 15 times 2. So we can write it as 2 into 3 into 5. Then 15 we can again write it as 3 into 5. Okay, now we will rearrange this in terms grouping of 2, 3 and 5. So here only 1, 2 is there. So I have written 2 into 3. We will count 1, 2, 3, 3. So I have written 3 into 3 into 3. Now I will count 5. So 1, 2, 3, 5. So I have written 5 into 5 into 5. So if you see here, there is only 1, 2 in the prime factorization. But we need 2 into 2. So because we know that for a perfect cube, we know that each factor should have 3 times. Okay, 3 into each number. So here we have 2 only once. 3 we have 3 times. 5 we have 3 times. But 2 we have only once. So we need 2 more 2's. That is, we need 2 into 2. That 4 to make it a perfect cube. So we need 4 such cuboids to make a cube. The next example given is Parikshit makes a cuboid of plasticine of side 5 cm, 2 cm and 5 cm. How many such cuboids will he need to form a cube? It's same as our previous example. So it's a cuboid given. So one is length, other one is breadth and the other one is height. So we need to find how many such cuboids he need to form a cube. So cube means we need a perfect cube number. So Parikshit makes a cuboid of plasticine and its given length of the cuboid is 5 cm, breadth of the cuboid is 2 cm and height of the cuboid is 5 cm. See here, for our understanding, I have drawn small cuboids like this. Okay, so he is joining all these cuboids, small cuboids to form a big cube. Okay, we know that small cuboids are joined to form a big cube. Also, the volume of cuboid is length into breadth into height. This is the formula for volume of the cuboid. Now, we will substitute the length, breadth and height. So, it's 5 into 2 into 5. Okay. So, now we will group in terms. So, only 1, 2 is there. So, I have written here. And then 5 we have 2, 5. So, I have written 5 into 5. So, here there is only 1, 2 and 2 5's in the prime factorization. But we know that for a number to be a perfect cube, each factor should appear 3 times. But here 2 appears only 1 time. So we need 2, 2 and the 5 appears only 2 times. So we need 1, 5 to make the given number a perfect cube because we need all the factor thrice, 3 times. So let's find how much the number we need. So 2, 2, so 2 into 2 and 1, 5 into 5. So 2 into 2 is 4, 4 into 5 is 20. So he needs 20 to make it a perfect cube. Therefore, we need 20 such cuboids to make a cube. The next example is 392 a perfect cube? If not, find the smallest natural number by which 392 must be multiplied so that the product is a perfect cube. So, let's see how to do this. So, its given number is 392. First, we want to check whether 392 is a perfect cube or not. So, that we will do by using a prime factorization method. So, now we will do prime factorization for 392. First I am dividing by 2, so I am getting 196, which divide by 2 I will get 98, which divide by 2 I will get 49, 49 divided by 7 is 7, 7 divided by 7 is 1. So the prime factors of 392 are 2 into 2 into 2 into 7 into 7. So we know that for a perfect cube, each factor should appear 3 times. So here the prime factor 7 does not appear 3 times. So it appears only 2 times. So therefore we can say 392 is not a perfect cube. This is our first question. Then second question is, we want to find the natural number by which this must be multiplied to make the product a perfect cube. So to make this cube, we need one more 7 because we have only 2 7. So if you multiply with one more 7, then the given number will become a perfect cube. So in that case, 392 into 7, which is equal to, so we know that it's 2 into 2 into 2, 7 into 7 into 7, which is 2744. So now it is a perfect cube number. So thus 7 is the smallest natural number by which 392 must be multiplied so that the product, that is 392 into 7, which is 2744, is a perfect cube number. The next example given is 68,600 a perfect cube? If not, find the smallest number by which 68,600 must be multiplied to get a perfect cube. So now the given number is 68,600. First step, we want to check whether the given number is a perfect cube. Thus, we can do it by prime factorization. So here I have done prime factorization for 68,600. So on the prime factors of 68,600 are, we will count the number of 2's, 1, 2, 3. So 2 into 2 into 2. Now I will count 5, 1, 2. So 5 into 5. Now I will count 7, 1, 2, 3, 7. So 7 into 7 into 7. So we know that for a number to be a perfect cube, each factor should appear 3 times. But here the prime factor 5 doesn't appear 3 times. It is appearing only 2 times. So the given number 68,600 is not a perfect cube. Now we will find what is the smallest number to be multiplied to make this number a perfect cube. So now if you multiply with one more 5 here, then 5 will appear 3 times. Okay, so that number will also become a perfect cube. So we want to multiply 68,600 with 5. So if you multiply that, your answer will be 343,000. So which is a perfect cube. So thus 5 is the smallest natural number which must be multiplied with 68,600 so that the product, that is 343,000, is a perfect cube. Hope you have understood how to find whether the given number is a perfect cube by prime factorization method. Then you have to identify the smallest natural number that must be multiplied with the given number to make the given number a perfect cube. Hope you have understood all the questions well. Thank you for watching the video.